Okay, what we got here today is a Jericho 941 and 9mm. Some people call him the Baby Desert Eagle. That's not really its true name. Jericho is its real name. So what we're going to do is take this gun apart. First thing we're going to do is make sure it's unloaded. Take the magazine out. And for gals and folks that don't have strong hands, what I like to do is go ahead and pull the hammer back. Push the slide, lock it, and we're going to make sure that, yep, it's empty. There's nothing in the chamber. Alright, let's go ahead and do is slide it forward. This particular one has a decocker on it. And if you see right here, there are two dimples, very similar to a 1911, where you have to line up the dimples. And then what you do is you push the pin on the other side and pull it out, and the slide just comes off. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to line up the the dimples. Alright, so I've lined up the dimples. I've pushed the pin on the other side. And now I'm going to pull the pin out and carefully move the slide forward. There we go. This is the bottom part. I'm going to put this to the side for a moment. And this is the slide. So, pretty much standard takedown. This is the guide rod, the spring. Pull the barrel out. The nice thing about it is it doesn't have the little floppy thing like the 1911 does. And that's it. The slide's pulled apart. Right, now what we're going to do is put the slide and the handgun back together, basically in the opposite direction. I'm going to put the barrel in. Slide that down. The guide rod in here. Like I said, this gun has been fired about 50 rounds through it. I'll do another video on how to clean it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the lower part of it, you're going to flip it upside down, line up the grooves, and once again you want to line up these dimples, which lines up the hole inside. Sometimes you have to fiddle with it a little bit. Now what we're going to do is a function check. Hammer's back, slide locks, unlock the slide, decock it. We're going to do a function check. Okay, decock it. Empty magazine.